Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Ora Dance Moms on your platform and confirm the game is up to date. Choose the campaign or free roam mode where character interactions are available. Enable subtitles and increased NPC nameplates in the accessibility settings for clarity. Equip your character with the tracking item or phone app in inventory before you move. Set a waypoint on the mini-map to the mother's last known rehearsal room for efficient searching. Use the hint wheel when available to highlight rooms and NPC conversation options. Start at the main studio lobby where rehearsals are scheduled and check the notice board. Open your character's event log to see scheduled classes and the mother's name entries. Visit each rehearsal room systematically, starting from ground floor to upper dressing rooms. Inspect props and personal items for mother's wallet, phone, or health card with name. Check the solo practice room at 3:00 p.m. Mothers often supervise between 2:30 and 4:00. Use security camera terminals to rewind footage 45 minutes to approach the woman and select the polite greeting to open conversation quickly. Ask for her child's name and cross-reference it with the class roster on your tablet. Request a form of identification like a smartphone photo or Form 1099 for verification. If she confirms, mark her as found and update the event log immediately to save progress. Escort her to reception if required. Walk speed must match NPC pace to avoid losing her. Collect your reward: 50 credits and a backstage pass usable once during the finale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.